I'm not telling the boys.
Hey folks, here we are at Bishop again, trying our luck fishing on a Friday. And this is my beautiful wife, Suzy. She's going to tell you a little bit more.
We're gonna be walking about 1 mile and we're gonna find a big rock and hopefully we're gonna catch a lot of fish. And I'm gonna use Suzy's secret bait. Wish us luck. Putting my first line out using Suzy's secret bait. Here I go. Just where I wanted it. Look what I just caught using Suzy's secret bait. Wow, he's a keeper. Good morning, we're in Bishop, California. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and it's 30 degrees out. Brr. We're gonna go fishing right now and we're really excited. I'm excited to use Suzy's secret bait. It worked yesterday, let's see if it'll work today. We'll check in with you soon. We're at June Lake and I just used Suzy's secret bait. Look at this beautiful rainbow trout I just caught. Definitely a keeper. Wow. He's a fighter. He's gonna be yummy. Here's a small one. Oh, not too bad. Using Suzy's secret bait. Do I got it?
I'd say so.
Yeah, there he is. Gotcha. He's a keeper. Woo! One more to go for my list.